Okay, for our next technique in mixed martial arts, it's also an armbar, very similar to the last two you've seen. In this case, he's going to try to get out of it by rolling, and I will continue to roll with him until the armbar is secure. He brings his arm up a little high, I control the arm. But this time, he smells it, he knows where I'm going. So he's gonna roll, and I'm gonna roll with him. Now I'm gonna step over. As you see, he's tapping out with his foot. Okay, you can tap out with your hand, you can tap out with your foot, you can tap out by tapping on your opponent, or by verbally just saying, stop, stop, I give. The referee will stop the match. One more time in real-time action. Control the arm, step over, he rolls, I roll with him, step over, and right into the arm.